So, top tip for winding your baby. So, supporting the baby's face firmly with your fingers and the rest of your hand on its chest. We're going to sit the baby up really upright. So, we're going to straighten the baby's back out so it's sat between our two hands. And now, what we're going to do is none of this business. We're going to tip the baby to the baby's left. So, tip the baby to the left, supporting the baby in that nice upright position. And then we're just going to rock the baby gently backwards and forwards. Now, what this does is this allows the natural anatomy of the baby's tummy to sit so that the air can escape. And you will see a burp. I've never had a baby that didn't burp in this position. So gently rocking backwards and forwards. Top tip for winding.